I'm torn between installing a turbocharger or a supercharger. What do you think is better?
Turbochargers and superchargers both have their strengths and weaknesses. Let's start with turbochargers. These babies are like power from exhaust fumes. They use wasted energy to spin a turbine, forcing more air into the engine. These are the main key points, so I won't overwhelm you. Turbochargers are more efficient since they harness exhaust energy, reducing parasitic losses. They are more ideal for high-end power delivery, providing a surge of boost in the upper RPM range. Turbos can improve fuel efficiency due to better combustion with increased air density. That being said, they are suitable for a wide range of engine sizes and configurations. Keep in mind, there are a few different types of turbo setups. You have single turbo, twin scroll turbo, just to name a few. But they have their downsides too. Turbochargers suffer from lag, causing a delay in power delivery until exhaust gases spool up the turbine. If you're installing an aftermarket one, it requires modifications to the exhaust system and additional cooling mechanisms like intercoolers. Turbochargers generate more heat, necessitating efficient cooling systems to prevent overheating. They are generally more expensive up front due to the complexity of components and installation.
I see. So, what about superchargers?
Superchargers are like the engine's best friend. They're directly connected to the crankshaft, giving you instant power without the weight. The pros of having a supercharger are immediate power, provides instant boost and throttle response since it's mechanically driven by the engine. Linear power delivery offers a more predictable and linear power curve, especially at lower RPMs. Installation is relatively straightforward compared to turbochargers, requiring fewer modifications. Generally more compact and lighter, making them easier to fit into tight engine bays. But they have their drawbacks too. Lower efficiency. Superchargers consume engine power to operate, leading to slightly lower overall efficiency. High-end limitations may not deliver as much power at higher RPMs compared to turbochargers. Compatibility issues, less adaptable to engines with limited space or specific configurations. Cost, while usually cheaper up front, ongoing maintenance costs may be higher due to increased wear on engine components.
Thanks, Chris. I think I have a better understanding now. It really depends on what I prioritize in my car's performance and my style of driving.
Exactly. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, so choose wisely.
I'll be back when I figure that out.